Good morning, dear student. Today I am here to discuss class 3, chapter 2, Science, Safety and Home. So let's start the chapter. Be safe. Accident happens suddenly means accident does not happen to saying. People got hurt in accident and sometime accident can put lives in danger. So we can avoid accident if we are careful and follow some safety rule. So which safety rule we should follow and be careful? First one is be safe in the classroom. How will you safe in the classroom? You should follow some safety rule and be safe in the classroom. Which one? First one is do not hit anyone or throw things at them. Second, do not climb onto desk. Third one, use a sharpener to sharpen the pencil. And fourth one is be careful while using scissors and needles. Or you can take your elder's help when you use scissors and needle. Second one, how will you save on the playground? So some safety rule you should follow when you are playing to the playground. First one is learn and follow the rules of whichever game you play. Second, do not hit others with a bat or a ball or anything which can cause injury. Wait for your turn at the swing, at the shisha, in fact everywhere. Now next one is what? How you safe on the road. You should follow some safety rule which are prepared for the road so you can be safe for the accident when you walk on the road. First one is walk on the footpath when you can walk on the safe side of the road. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Before crossing, look to your right, then to your left and then again to your right. Cross the road when it is clear or when the traffic stops. If there is a subway, use it to cross a road. Second safety rule, when riding a bicycle, keep to your left, signal before turning. Third safety rule, do not get into or get off a moving bus. Fourth one is do not put your head or arms out of a moving bus. If you are doing like this, you can get hurt. How will we use safe at home? So some safety rule you should follow at home. That's how you can be safe at home. First one is do not leave your toys, bags and shoes on the floor because you or someone could trip over them. So do not leave your toys, bags and shoes on the floor. Be careful with sharp things like knives, blade and scissors. You may hurt yourself. Third one, fire can hurt you very badly. Be careful near stoves. Do not touch hot pans or boiling water. Next one is while lighting a candles and matches, hold them away or you take your elders' help. Next one is do not touch electric gadget or switches with wet hand. You may get an electric shock. Fourth one is take medicine only after asking an adult and do not play with plastic bags, bedsheet or pillowcases by pulling them over your head. Now what is first aid? After an accident, the first help that an injured person gets is called first aid or an immediate help which we can give an injured person before doctor is arriving is called first aid. If one of your friend get hurts, you need to give first aid before an adult can reach you. Here is what you can do. First one, keep calm. Do not crowd around the injured person. Call a doctor or an adult. Do not let the wound bleed. Loss of blood is harmful. Clean the wound with an antiseptic lotion. Tie a clean hanky or a bandage over the wound. Make the injured person sit or lie down and keep the wounded part of the body raised. Comfort your injured friend. Next is what? Home is the best. Why is home necessary for us? Home is necessary for all of us because home keep us safe from the heat of the sun, the cold, the rain and the storm. So home is the best safety place because our house keep us safe from the heat of the sun, the cold, the rain and the storm. What is the characteristic features of a good house? In a good house, The rooms in a house should be airy and well lit. A house should have open spaces like a veranda or a courtyard. These give a fresh air, sunlight, and place to play in. A house should have a well planned drainage system that carries dirty water away from the house. Doors and windows should be fitted with wire netting to keep flies and mosquitoes away. How you care of the house? First one is drains from the kitchen and the bathroom must be covered. Mosquito breed in uncovered drains or in dirty water that collects near the house, and they spread disease like malaria, dengue, and chikungunya. That's why the drains of the kitchen and bathroom must be covered. Wash basin, toilet, and bathroom must be washed and cleaned regularly. Dustbin must be covered so that flies do not lay eggs in the rubbish. Garbage must be thrown in a proper dumping place and not on the road. Curtain must be washed regularly. A house become a home when the people living in love each other. Help to keep your house clean. Make it a pleasant place to live in. That's all. Now your second chapter is finished. Read the lesson properly and revise your exercise again and learn the question answer also. Thank you.